Now, the owner of the business Angelic Monuments, Elena Moreno, was arrested today on theft charges. I've been reporting for weeks on a dozen families who say they paid for their headstones but never got them.
This case hits different. Imagine losing someone you love and then being scammed while trying to honor them. What started as a simple headstone order has now turned into a courtroom headline. Watch how the tension builds from here.
Are 005594 State versus Elena Moreno. Could I have parties announced?
Espinosa for the state.
Hedrick A. Hicks for the defense.
And are you Elena Moreno Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Sanchez, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waiver? Your attorney, did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of property, $30,000 to $150,000 as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Sanchez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? The court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial, and it's the court's understanding that there is no plea bargain in this case. You are entering a plea to the offense. The state will provide evidence for the court to review, and the court will decide punishment. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that correct, state?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Is that correct?
Yes, Your
I'm
Honor.
sorry,
okay.
defense. State, is that correct?
Yes.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. I have to do math on the calculator to make sure the numbers are correct.
Here's where it gets technical. The judge is confirming that Elena understands she's charged with theft of property up to $150,000. That's not small claims, that's a felony that could land her behind bars for up to a decade. Every, yes, ma'am, you hear is another nail in the legal coffin.
All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. And do you all wish to set this for a PSI?
We do, Judge.
All right. I need a reset date for a PSI. And for, is there a top evaluation needed?
No type of evaluation, needed, Judge.
And we can go off the record. What I can tell you is there going to be any funds?
That's what we are hoping to have made available for our sentencing date, Judge.
Okay. And that will need to be brought in the form of a cashier's check or money order. And is that a money order cashier's check for the separate complainants or?
Yes, Your Honor. It would be 16 separate complainants that I have the amount of names readily available.
All right. So if you can make sure that, and so the cashier's check will need to be made out to those complainants individually. All right. What date? All right. We'll be back on December 9th.
And just one quick question for the court, Judge. PSIs, have they been coming in around this time or something? I just want to make sure.
Oh, no, the PSI will be done.
Okay.
On that.
Okay.
Yes.
I just want to confirm. I've been hearing various different, anywhere from 4 weeks to 12 weeks. So I just want to.
Oh, no, it is 4 to 12 weeks, but sometimes it's here sooner than that. So Bashan is saying, yes, we will have
See
it.
that look.
Yes.
Look at our face. I just wanted to confirm. Thank you.
Yes.
Judge.
All right. Thank you. Once you sign the reset form and speak with the probation officer, you're excused.
All right.
Thank you. You're welcome.
This moment seals her fate. The judge officially finds her guilty. No jury, no negotiation. Just paperwork, evidence, and quiet acceptance. It's almost eerie how calm the courtroom feels while her future is being decided.
Judge?
Yes.
After she's done handling her probation paperwork, is there a chance that we could take her through the back this way? Because there may be media out there that she doesn't hit base. And
Oh, that's not media for her, is it?
it's not.
No,
I don't know.
I think that's for something else.
Was it for something else?
Yeah.
Okay, because we weren't too sure. Her case has been in the media. So
Oh, I don't. I usually at home reading a book.
yeah, you know what? I don't. Maybe it serves me. Maybe it doesn't. But I don't usually watch a lot of local news. So
Hey, I don't know unless somebody tells me. I'm like,
well,
oh,
that's fine. It's been.
no, I don't think so. I think they have a trial or something that's
Okay.
going on.
I got it.
Is that correct, Deputy Laura? That's for,
I just wanted to ensure because I know it has been in the news.
okay, thank you.
No,
Mm.
no, I don't. I don't need that. I'm advertising, but I don't want to advertise that.
All right. Oh yeah, he has 3 people on the docket.
Now,
Listen carefully, the court is now talking about cashier's checks for 16 victims. That means each grieving family might finally see a fraction of what they lost. But can money really fix the damage of betrayal tied to grief? You decide.
a big update story we've reported on for a month now. The owner of the business Angelic Monuments, Elena Moreno, was arrested today on theft charges. I've been reporting for weeks on a dozen families who say they paid for their headstones but never got them. Today, those families are overwhelmed with emotions, just like they were when we first talked to them. Their pain has been immeasurable.
It hurts to go and visit him, and he has no stone. It makes me feel like I have let her down by not having a headstone at the plot.
These grieving women spoke to me in 2 separate stories within the last month. They're just 2 of 12 families who paid Angelic Monuments owner Elena Moreno thousands for their loved ones' headstones, which they never received. As our stories came out, more and more families reported their losses to San Antonio police, who found enough evidence to arrest Moreno Saturday morning. She claimed her innocence in front of our cameras.
Why'd you do it?
Why'd you steal it from these people?
I did not.
The arrest was just for one of those families who lost Isaiah Velasquez in a tragic car accident 2 years ago. They paid over $8,500 for his headstone. That falls under a charge of theft, $2,500 to $30,000, a state jail felony.
This is for one family. We have multiple victims already that have come out and said that they're victims of this company.
San Antonio Police Public Information Officer Ricardo Guzman confirms that if the total eventually exceeds $30,000, the charges could be upgraded.
It's frustrating for those families, absolutely, and especially not being able to receive that closure that they're waiting for this headstone. It's frustrating, heartbreaking, but we're bringing justice to those families.
This is the part the public rarely sees. Defense attorneys worrying about media at the door. Even in small courtrooms, reputation becomes part of the sentence. It's a reminder that when justice goes public, privacy disappears. Next voice. And there it is, full circle. From news report to courtroom confession, Elena Moreno now faces not just prison, but the weight of a dozen broken promises. Justice might be served, but for those families still visiting empty graves, closure may never come.